How's it, everyone? Welcome to another video of Figure This, Figure That. Talk figures in the Dons chat. I'm just starting this one. It's a bit of a tutorial. Well, it is part of a tutorial. It's where I changed the body out for a Pyscho M32 on a Batman Begins suit. After that, I did the 303 wipes to freshen up the suit. And then I thought, well, since they're out, I might as well do all of my Batman figures. So there's BVS bats, also been 303 wiped. You take all the accessories off. I've just put his cowl and boots back on. That there is another Batman Begins figure. He's also been all spruced up and looking tidy. This is one of my enter bays. Also did the 303 wipes on him. I've got the other one to come through. This is the cowled one. With the cape, you can see it freshens it up so much, eh? That looks like, I bought this one second hand, and that looks like a bit of a glue residue there. I've just seen that. Never seen that before. Shite. Okay, I'll get that off. Yeah, so I've just done this one. Well, just done it. I've done all of these yesterday, so they've all had a chance to dry before I dress them. There's another famous example of Hot Toys glue. It doesn't last, eh? Doesn't last, and yeah, it just came apart. But at least it's glue that doesn't leave shit residue in that, so it's an easy fix. I don't know if you can see her. There she is. I did her yesterday as well. And she is looking fantastic now. Look at that suit. Look at that suit. So all you new hobbyists out there or collectors, it'll pay you to get some 303 wipes. Especially if you've got figures with, there's my Gladiators and Conan. They are permanent fixtures here on this desk, as well as Hellboy and John Wick next to Tigger. Yeah, so that's another Dio from Steve Webber, IC Customs. Really, really nice. Let's see if I can switch that on. So, welcome back. This is my new workspace on this desk. You'll see in the beginning, all the figures had their accessories off, while I was 303, which is the wipes, the suits of the Batman, especially suits like these ones here, because yeah, they've got a bad habit of deteriorating. And this is rubber. The pleather is even worse. And let's see how quick it is for someone to notice. I've got the BVS cowl in Batman Begins hands. That is on the new M32 Pyscho body. I took the suit off Batman Begins figure and put it on this M32 Pyscho. And it works a treat, eh? It works a treat. Look at that. That is so dope, eh? And I've 303'd this from new, so yeah. Actually, it's not this one. This one I bought spare. Actually, it's the one behind is the one I've 303'd from new. That's him there. Yeah, that's still got the old body, which is this body here. See this body? That's out of the Batman Hot Toys Batman Begins figure. I'm going to actually use it for my bank robber Joker, because I mean, you won't see the body underneath the clothes. So yeah, and my bank robber Joker version 1, the knee snapped, you know, double bend knee. They've got a habit of snapping after a while. They deteriorate. But yeah, I've got the Lucky Chandra Unreal Customs wired cape on my BVS for a bit of a change. And I must admit, it's a fantastic bit of kit. I wished I'd gone wired sooner. I wished I'd got wired for all my figures. Because, yeah, it really does make a difference. It brings him alive, you know? Really, really nice. It's almost like there's movement there compared to the static Batman Begins. Here's another example. My enter bay is of that same rubber suit material. So I 303 wiped that as well. And again, I've did this one since I've got him. I actually bought this guy from ClipperKing, from Rick, when Rick was still the main dude in the groups. Well, still is. He's got my respect. I mean, I used to go to his channel all the time just to steal his poses. So yeah, I bought this one off him. And this one, he'd actually, if you see the belt, you might notice on the other one, the belt sits high and there's a piece at the back that you can take off to enable the belt to move, but then you also cut a bit of the fat suit away underneath so that the belt fits lacquer. So I bought it with that mod, well knowing about the mod, you know, but yeah. So I've just 303'd him. He's all dried and ready to be dressed. In the beginning of this video, you'll see a lot of the figures didn't have any of the accessories on. I was busy going through the motions when my gimbal ran out of power. So while I've been charging it, I've been dressing the figures, you know, just to speed up, because I don't like them out here. The thing's got a habit of being bumped and knocked, and especially when so many figures are together. So yeah, this is my new workspace. I showed you Salina. There she is there. I did her yesterday. Look at that suit, man. It shines. It shines. Such a dope figure. And there's her bat pod, of course. She stays there with the bat pod. Those two stay. One of them will go in the display cabinet, the gladiators. One of those there. And yeah, Hellboy stays in his glass cabinet. And John Wick up above, next to Tigger. You see him there? Let's see. This, he's got a custom sculpt on. I think it's by So Toys, or could be 11. I'm not too sure. I'd have to double check that. It's the one with the magnetic hair. You've got two hair pieces. I don't know. What do you think? I think it's quite dope, eh? I think it looks like him. So yeah, he's on a Steve Weber IC Customs diorama base from like the street, so to say. Let me just see. This is when I went to turn this on that my camera gimbal went. Oh, there we go. Don't walk. Don't walk, John. Bobblelegger. Don't walk. Sorry, got carried away with myself there. But there you go. John Wick in all his glory, eh? A very, very, very dope piece, eh? Yeah. See, I get lost. I'm busy showing you the tutorial and I'm busy farting around you. There's the backdrop from Backdrops and Bases, Dean Gladwell. That goes with my other IC Customs base. So yeah, back to the things in hand. Let me try and grab the bottle of oops, sorry, that's pathetic camera work. So there we go. That there is what you use for your figures, for pleather, leather, artificial leather like pleather, rubber suits. You all use this. Just dust off your figures. If they shouldn't have any dust, but dust off the figures, even the fine stuff, and then wipe them with these wipes. And really, it makes such a difference to the length of time that your piece lasts, because you're looking after them. I mean, look at that bat fleck, man. Wow. These CO3s, honestly, they bring so much life back to the outfits, you know? So much life. So now I've dressed Salina. I've dressed Batman Begins. I've dressed BVS. I've got another Batman Begins to dress with Cal. Okay, then I've got this one, my Interbay to dress. And then after that, I've got another Interbay that needs 303 wiping. He's the one with the harness and the balaclava. So, yeah. But look how decent the suit looks, man. Really, really nice. These 303 wipes, they make so much difference. So, yeah. There we go. So, yeah. As I say, this is my new workspace. When you apply these 303 wipes, make sure you take off all the accessories, cowl, gauntlets, boots and that. You can also 303 wipe them, make no mistake, but I prefer to take them off so I can get at the suit underneath the gauntlets and the boots. And that's why you see all these accessories and everything lying all over the place, because yeah, I'm busy changing poses and 303 as I go. Okay, so yeah, that's a bit of a tutorial about the 303 wipes. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll take another video just now with all the Batman dressed and you can see how they look. But for now, the Don says, peace out.